everybody, this is Caroline Alizana, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, March 1st of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. And check this out. Look what we see here on our chart today. We're crashing down big time on the markets today, closing the day lower below all major areas of support. So first of all, what happened here and what we talked about here yesterday was that low of yesterday, which was at the 57.43 mark. I wanted you to pay close attention to that, as well as the 8 moving average that we're going to talk about here in just a minute. So what happened here today? We opened the day higher. We were trying to get all the way up to that high of yesterday, which was at the 58.05 mark, but we never made it there. And we opened right at the 57.99 mark, went a little bit higher than that, the 58.02, and then we pulled back down, crashing big time, breaking through the 8 moving average first, and then breaking through the low of yesterday, which was at the 57.43 mark. And then what's more, we broke through another major areas of support on the way down here at the 57.20 mark, and we closed the day below it, which means that we are bearish according to the chart. And check this out, we are also bearish according to the MACD, pointing south with another negative tick. And look at the volume. We are getting a spike on volume today. Remember, as we analyzed these two little guys right here yesterday, they were just below the average, so they didn't tell us anything. They didn't confirm the up run right here. Yeah, and today we're getting another spike as we did last week on a bearish move. So watch it carefully as well. So what we need to pay really close attention to tomorrow is the low of today, which is at the 56.70 mark. And then check this out. Put that little trend line out here and make it really big so you can really see it. And we need to pay close attention to that area of support right here at the 56.40 mark. Why? Because it's a major cross point of two different areas of support. First one, the 56.40 mark, and then the big thick black trend line that you see here on my chart. It's a significant area of support, so things can happen in here. So first of all, once we get here, we could break through it and continue to the downside, or we could bounce off of it as we did here last week, and we could get another run up. But you need to pay close attention to that 56.40 mark. So if we broke through it and closed below it, we would be in trouble. So the next major area of support to watch would be at the 55.70 mark, and then the next one would be at the 54.90, 54.95 mark, and then the next one would be at the 54.74 mark. But if we bounce off of it and head higher, we will need to pay close attention to that 57.20 mark, which is acting as a resistance right now, and then the 8 moving average, which is sitting at the 57.54 mark. And also pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.